Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Fluent Vibes English podcast.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah,
And I'm Ali. Welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcast.
the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and super friendly.
Today's topic is so useful. We're going to show you how to start a conversation in English.
That's right. Whether you're meeting someone new, talking to a classmate, or chatting with a coworker, knowing how to start a conversation makes you feel confident and cool.
We'll teach you real-life examples, simple phrases, and even a few funny tips to sound natural.
So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons every week.
And share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English too.
Okay, let's get started. Starting a conversation can feel scary sometimes, right?
Oh yes, even for native speakers, you see someone you want to talk to, and your brain says, what do I say?
Yes, that's totally normal. But today we'll make it easy for you. We'll show you 5 simple ways to start a conversation in English with real examples. The easiest way to start? Just say hello.
Simple, right? But don't stop there. Add a friendly comment to keep the conversation going.
For example, "Hi, how are you today?" "Hey, nice weather, isn't it?" "Hello, I like your jacket."
The key is to sound friendly and curious, not like a robot.
"Hello, nice weather, beep beep."
Don't do that. Use your natural voice.
Let's try a mini dialogue.
Sure.
"Hi, Ali. How's your day going?"
Hey, Sarah, it's going great, thanks. Just finished my coffee, so I'm happy.
Easy. You can use this with classmates, coworkers, or anyone you meet casually.
Quick review. Step 1, say hello. Step 2, add a friendly comment or question. All right, the second way, ask a small talk question.
Small talk means short, friendly questions about everyday things, like the weather, hobbies, or weekend plans.
Exactly. For example, how was your weekend? Did you watch anything good lately? How's work going?
Or my favorite one, how's the weather where you are?
Classic English small talk. We love talking about the weather.
Let's do another example.
Okay,
Hey, Ali, how was your weekend?
pretty good. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
I just relaxed and watched a movie.
That's small talk. Light, friendly, and perfect for starting a chat.
Quick review moment. Small talk equals simple questions plus everyday topics. Keep it short and positive.
Who doesn't love a compliment, right?
Exactly. Compliments make people smile and start conversations easily.
You can say things like, I like your shoes. That's a cool phone case. Your English sounds great.
Just make sure your compliment is real, not fake or too personal.
Right. Don't say things like, you have beautiful eyes.
Yeah, that might be too much for a first conversation.
Let's try one more example.
Hey, Ali, I like your shirt. The color looks great on you.
Thanks, Sarah. I got it on sale last week.
Easy, natural, and friendly.
Review time. Give simple, true compliments. Keep it light and kind.
Another great way to start a conversation is to talk about something you both like.
Yes, it's easier when you have a shared interest, like music, movies, or food.
You can say things like, I saw you're reading that book. I love that author. You like coffee? Me too. I heard you're from Brazil. I've always wanted to visit there.
When you find something in common, the conversation flows naturally.
Let's show an example.
Sure.
Hey, Ali, are you a football fan?
Yes, I love watching the Premier League.
Same here. Which team do you support?
Arsenal.
Oh no, I'm a Chelsea fan.
And boom, now we have a fun conversation.
Review time. Find something in common. Use me too or really to keep it going.
The last tip, use what's happening around you.
That's right. You can talk about your environment, the event, or even something funny happening nearby.
For example, this cafe is so busy today. The music here is nice. The line is taking forever, huh?
Yes, small comments like that help you connect with people naturally.
Let's imagine we're waiting for the bus.
Wow, this bus is late again.
Yeah, it always is. Do you take this route often?
See, now we're chatting.
So remember, use your surroundings, make an observation, then ask a simple question.
Okay, bonus time. Let's talk about what not to do when starting a conversation.
Ooh, yes, important. Number 1, don't ask very personal questions right away.
Like, how much money do you make or why aren't you married? Nope, that's too personal.
Number 2, don't speak too fast. If you're nervous, just slow down.
And number 3, don't forget to smile. A friendly smile makes everything easier.
Let's review everything we've learned before we practice.
Okay, quick summary. 1. Say hello and add a friendly comment. 2. Use small talk questions. 3. Give a compliment. 4. Find something in common. 5. Use what's around you.
And bonus, be friendly, smile, and keep it simple.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn to practice with us.
We'll give you a few examples, and you can repeat after us or write your answers in the comments below.
Ready? Let's go.
Say it with us.
Great, you sound amazing already.
Try these. How was your weekend? Did you watch anything good recently?
Your turn. Say it out loud.
Let's try. I like your accent. That's a cool bag.
Compliments make people happy. Keep practicing them.
Repeat after us. Oh, you like coffee? Me too. You play guitar? That's awesome.
Nice. You're becoming a natural English speaker.
Try this. This class is really interesting, isn't it? It's so cold today.
Great job.
Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
And every small conversation helps you grow in confidence.
So don't be afraid to say hi and start talking.
Wow, that was fun. You now know how to start a conversation in English like a pro.
Let's see. We learned to say hello, ask small talk questions, give compliments, find things in common, and use the situation around us.
That's a lot of powerful tools for making friends and improving your English.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you. What's your favorite way to start a conversation in English? Tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your answers.
And remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps our channel grow.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, learning English is easy and fun.